Welcome. In this video I want to show you how we can use the shake effect in a Hitfilm Express 12. First, I got myself here some video footage and we are going to apply the shake effect. So first all you have to do is go to Media, Effects, right there shake, take the shake, paste it on your video, and as you can see it's shaking like a madman. And now what you can do is you can play around it, not with this, but this shake, you can play with the speed. Okay, now amount. This is tripping, man. Oh my god, this is too much for my eyes. So yeah, this is how you make the shake effect for Hitfilm Express 12. If you like this video, definitely hit the subscribe button. I'll be really thankful for that. And yep, thank you all everybody. Goodbye.